The area here is the western edge of the Greenwattle Creek fire that started some time before this actually happened, the burning down of the shed. We had spent some time before that as a brigade with our 2 vehicles trying to control this fire. Problem is that the valleys are very, very steep and around here, and once it got down to the bottom of the valley, we then were unable to control its progress back up the hill again towards us, and one of the gullies that it travelled up to destroy the fire station and also 3 houses at the same time. My baby. Yeah, the brigade was what I put a lot of work into over the years. A lot of work and a lot of effort, and it's all gone in a matter of hours. Yep. We're up here within hours to see the damage. The heat inside was just absolutely unbelievable. I had a large fire engine collection of matchbox fire engines, which was also destroyed in the fire. I've now got a collection of matchbox fire engines again, of the generous people around the country, right through to Western Australia. People were sending me little matchbox fire engines to try and put back the collection. I really am over the moon at the build. The infrastructure and the bits and pieces in the shed is absolutely tremendous. It really is good. Been a lot of thought gone into it, and yeah, I can now very happily say this is a station, not a shed.